Hey guys, today's another how-to video. This time I'm going to be showing you how to make a anglerfish. So, when I don't really know what anglerfishes eat or anything. It's just that when I just started making something that reminded me of like a type of fish, and it was called the anglerfish, so that's why I'm making this. Anyways, first you need to start with the base. Here are the pieces. This one piece. This next piece, which has these on one side, but no on the other side. You need this piece, which it has a ball on this side and it has a little ball joint on this side. You need this one, which has a ball joint up here in the middle. You need this one, which is like I don't know, just like something, except it has a circle and it has a ball joint. A ball. And then you need this last one, which is little yellow one. Anyways, get started. Now I can start talking about the base. This is the base, so just grab this one. Then grab the other skinny one with these on it. Put it onto this one. Oops. Put it onto this one, so then it will look like this. Four-eyed creature. And then after that, you put this one onto this guy's middle part to make it look like this. 2 eyes. Now, after that, you need to get this one, the one with the ball joint and the ball, and then put the ball on top of this ball joint so it'll look like this. So you can just move it wherever you want. And then after that, you need to get this one, and then you need to put it on top of that. And then you need to bend it like this. So it can look like this. And the final thing is you grab your little yellow piece, you put it on top of this cylinder thing, and then you'll get your anglerfish. Don't really know what to do this now, but bye.